Hello everyone and welcome to Ellie Crochet. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet this hand towel handle. This is very easy to make and you can also sell this online or to your neighbors and maybe make a stall and sell your work. I found this towel from IKEA here in my place, which is really nice and cute as well. The print is fruits, which very famous. So here I'm using this 4-ply yarn, and that will be my bracelet. There's a bunch of it, and I don't use it, so I'm gonna use it for other projects. And this is the crochet needle, the button, a pair of scissors, and the crochet hook is 5.0 millimeter and letter H. So to start with, make a slip knot, and then insert the ring and slip stitch into the ring, then chain 2. And this will not count as a double crochet or something, just a foundation. Then yarn over and make a double crochet inside the ring for 50 times or 55. It depends on the size of the ring that you are using. So for me, the count is also a 50 double crochet in total. And after you made it, slip stitch on top of the 2 double crochet, the chain 2 that you make on your first row. So now chain 3 and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Another double crochet and make a double crochet into the last 7 stitches for a total of 10 double crochet. And done. Now turn your work, insert your hook on the very first stitch, then make a chain 3 and double crochet into the next stitch. And one more double crochet into that chain 3 and your previous row for a total of 10 double crochet. So continue making this for up to 10 rows in total. 1, 2, 10 rows. Yeah, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'll meet you there on our 11th row. So here we are now with our 11th row. Chain 1 and single crochet on the very first stitch, and single crochet together into the next 2 stitches, and make a half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, and 1 treble crochet on that same stitch, chain 2, treble crochet in that same stitch again, double crochet on that same stitch one more time, and make double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and single crochet together into the last stitch. Now your work should look like this. Turn your work and single crochet every stitch on the other side, 3, 4, and 5. Then single crochet 3 times on the chain 2 space. That will be our buttonhole. Now again, continue single crochet in every stitches all the way up to the end, and slip stitch into our last stitch. Cut your yarn and sew your end. Make sure to hide it. So now sew the button on top of that ring. You can also decorate that afterwards, like putting some flowers or putting some cartoon characters. It's really up to you if what kind of decoration do you want to put, or you just leave like as is or plain. This is really cute. And after you do the button, just tighten up the yarn tail at the back very tightly, then cut the yarns. And here it is, our hanging hand towel holder. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned again from my tutorial. And I'm going to say thank you so much, Nastasia, for always sharing your design. This is the idea from her, and I always copied her, and I always make a video tutorial, but she did not complain or asking me to delete those tutorial because it's her design. And to think that she has 1 million followers in every social media that she has. So here is my finished products. Thank you again for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye.